I'm Aileen and
I'm Bill Sheppard.
And we're here in Tom Crean Brewery in Kenmare. This is my grandfather, Tom Crean, whom I'm very proud of. All the family are very proud of him. Growing up as kids, we were surrounded by his memorabilia and it inspired us. And I went to the South Pole not just once, but 3 times.
Since the equipment's been in just under 3 years, we've produced 17 megawatts of electricity. I'd say we'd be getting sufficient out of 7 or 8 months of the year for most of our production.
All our beers are natural. They contain only 4 ingredients. From day one, sustainability is very important to us. So this is a new build. So we contacted Prosolar and they put in solar panels in the roof.
And they took it from day one, design, looking at what we were going to use, what our consumption was going to be. And they then designed a best fit system, which we just went, yeah, that's great. Being in County Kerry, we were quite concerned with wind strength at certain times of the year, and that was maybe something we were unsure of. We went on it for a moral reason, that it fitted our ethical and environmental stance. However, recent price hikes are now saying that this economically is an excellent reason to go into solar. The next step for us is to get battery power. We want to produce a pint that doesn't cost the earth.